Hello and welcome for the love of food. All right, so we heard Bojangles came out with a new sandwich called the Bo's Chicken Sandwich. We're going to give it a try. All right, so here's the sandwich. As you can see, they're telling us it has a toasted buttery bun, and I would say that does look like a toasted buttery bun. It's marinated and hand breaded, and it's crispy, got a crispy, crunchy buttermilk coating. All right, let's see. Let's take a look inside, see what we got. There's that mayonnaise that they're talking about, and those pickles. And the chicken sure looks crispy. All right, my mouth is watering. All right, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a bite of this, and we'll see. We'll tell you right now what we think of it. All right, so here it is. I'm holding it up. I wish I had a little more pickle in it, but it's pretty darn good. I think you've got a winner here, Bojangles.